Have you ever thought about we can easily make 10k dollars in a month? It is very simple thing here. But if you have not a simple strategy, then you are thinking about it is very tough. But I have a simple strategy. I think if you follow that strategy, you can easily make $10,000 in 1 month. Let's see. It is my second video. If you have not seen my first video, you must watch. You can easily find that video on this channel. So see, first of all, make $10,000 in 1 month. You need a simple calculation. Simple calculation means you have to understand your goal will be $333 per day. Okay, your goal is to make $333 per day. Okay, because we want to earn $10,000 in 1 month. Okay, so we have to fix our per day income. Okay, so our per day income will be $333 per day. Okay, next you have to do two easy jobs. Two easy jobs, no tough job. Okay, like first is mow lawns. Okay, like or snow if season is winter. Okay, you can join snow or lawns. Okay, charge $50 per yard. $50 per yard. It is very simple cost. Okay, next you do 7 yard a day and you easily get $350 cash. Okay, it is our first job. It is not a full-time job. It is only first job and only 2 hours. Only 2 hours you easily get $350 cash. Next, sell stuff on Facebook Marketplace. It is our second job and first job is mouse. Okay, second job, sell stuff on Facebook Marketplace and pick up free items, colors. Okay, sell same day for $50 to $100 each. Okay, if you sell only 3 items, you can easily get $200 in a day. Okay, now let's calculate our total per day income. Total daily income is here like $350 from loans and $200 flips is equal to $550. Okay, it is our per day income, $550. Okay, so here in a month, if you do only 25 days work, okay, then like $550 multiply 25 days. Okay, here you easily earn $13,750. $13,750 you can easily earn. Okay, you keep 10,000 only after cash and taxes. Okay, it is our minimum earning here. I think it will be more than 10,000. Okay, but you have to achieve these kind of goals, you need some things. Okay, because if you have basic things, but I tell you, you need lawn mower. Okay, it is zero cost roller. Okay, mower or why used 10 $100. Okay, and track or ban or tailor for use free pickup. Okay, or use free pickup. Okay, so you need a phone or Facebook for marketplace sell stuff. Okay, to sell stuff you need mobile phone plus Facebook, and to do first job you need lawnmower. Okay, and truck or van or tailor. Okay, you also use free pickup. Okay, So it is very simple thing here. I think that's it. It is very simple job. It's just a side hustle, not a full-time job. If you do this kind of jobs, you can easily get your goal. Our goal is to make $333 per day, and in a month, goal is $10,000 in a month. Okay. So if you have any kind of doubt related to this calculation in jobs also, you can ask me in the comment box. I will give you reply definitely. So if you are new on this channel, then also subscribe this channel to see more videos like this. So see you in my next video. Bye soon.